Framer scroll animation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type in 𝗕𝗲𝗂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀. On the home page, click Login at the top right of your screen. Select Login with email. Enter your email address, then click Continue. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click New Project to open a new workspace. In the workspace, create a new frame that will be used for your scrolling effects. Click the frame and go to the height setting, then set it to Fit Content. Next, create a few elements for your scroll effect. For example, add some shapes or text. On the right side of the screen, go to the Overflow settings and make sure all the options are set to visible. Select all the elements you created by holding Shift and clicking each one. Then, go to the right panel and change their position setting to sticky. This will keep the elements fixed during the scroll. Finally, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the play icon to preview your animation.